To return your items on Amazon whole service, first you will need to open Amazon Shopping app. And this feature is only available in US and on your mobile devices. You can use it on, for example, computer. So now when we're in the app, we can click on the search bar and enter whole right here. Then select this button, and now we'll be able to go to Me section. Now we can select the About Whole information, and then there's the information about returning your items right here. And Amazon Whole gladly accepts returns on all eligible items over $3 within 15 days of delivery, and offers free return shipping. Return items must be in a new, unused, and unaltered condition and dropped off according to instructions provided by Amazon. Items equal to or under $3 are covered by our A to Z guarantee, but are otherwise not returnable and not eligible to refund. You can also click on Read Return FAQs if you have any other questions about it. Now let me show you the actual process. So we can click on our orders right here, and now you will need to select the items that you want to return. Click on them, and then you will see a button somewhere below to return those items. Then just follow the instructions, as it might be different for each item on how to return it. After which, in a few days, you should return your money if everything is good with that product.